Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and creamy chocolate ice cream. Ice creams are typically made with whipping cream, but today I'll be making it with Amul fresh cream, which has 25% less fat. Also I'll not be adding any extra fat. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन्ती देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, take 250 ml pack of Amul fresh cream. Take out the thick part of the cream in a bowl. Keep it in the refrigerator so that it remains chilled. Take out the liquid part of the cream in another bowl. Add 1/4 cup of milk and microwave for 40 seconds. To that, add half cup of chopped dark or milk chocolate. Whisk till it melts. Then add 1/4 cup of condensed milk and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for rich chocolatey taste. Mix well. Keep it in the refrigerator so that it's chilled. I have also chilled the stencils. Beat the thick cream using whitter for 7 to 10 minutes. Our cream has thickened now. See, the cream has soft peaks now. Gradually add the chocolate mixture and beat. Our ice cream mixture is ready now. Add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips and mix. This is completely optional. Now transfer the mixture to an airtight container. Add few chocolate chips on top. Cover with the lid and keep it in the freezer for 10 to 12 hours or overnight. Our ice cream is perfectly set now. See how delicious and creamy this looks. Scoop it out and serve. Our super smooth chocolate ice cream is ready now, and that too it's made with Amul fresh cream. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.